The Subsea Distribution Alliance come together due to that we want to have control. We are developing the product engineering through production by machining, welding, and also put it together like a system. Connector Subsea Distribution, TESS, and also HTS. We have a field-proven history, more than 30 years in operation, each of us. We have delivered more than 3,000 subsea ball valves to subsea applications. TESS have produced 2,600 flying lead, and HTS have produced more than 850,000 hydraulic and chemical couplings for the subsea environment. We have a much wider playground when it comes to a huge facility in Brazil. We are present in Asia, in Singapore, and we are also in the US, in Houston. So we can also do service there, but we can also do new build. Our main goal is to help OneSubsea, TFMC, and SLB OneSubsea to produce smaller structures like system using our technology, because then we have control from A to the end of delivery. Try to standardize on the product, standardize solutions to be able to do it quicker, and of course give them quality product for a price they cannot do themselves.